can't tell you so on tape. I can't tell on tape.
Yes, because apparently not that.
Yeah, you better like go on, just get put on the spot.
Bro, what are these?
They're both ones.
What the fuck? That's nuts. Oh, the Bose music playing headphones.
I'm fucking sick.
Sasha, I got harassed by the same lady.
Oh, she get you again. Oh no.
She's like,
Oh my god, there she is.
dude. She's like, she saw me with the camera and she's like, hello.
What's up, Brooklyn?
Oh my god, the fit is so bad.
He's so lucky, so he doesn't shit orders us. This is funny. Alright, sit down.
Say hi. Hello.
Don't mind the mess, I'm still halfway through explaining
Mate,
that.
I swear these fucking hallways get skinnier every time.
It's yeah. Have you ever watched the original Willy Wonka? And the hallway gets smaller and smaller. It's like the door's really tiny.
You squeeze through the end.
Welcome.
Welcome to the subtle flex.
Yeah, subtle.
Subtle.
Nah. When you put it through, nah. When you put it through that lens, how did you get it? What's your grandpa? Ah.
Myron by Lil Uzi Vert.
Fucking light's so bright on that bitch.
You have to pick up the guitar everywhere we go.
I can feel it like running.
Yeah, you can feel it tape.
Group shot, guys. Hey. Oh, no. Wait, speaker. Come on.
Fuck. This is why I picked teams. This is exactly why I picked teams.
It's Joe, Corey Souls.
Exactly why I didn't pick the fucking teams. Exactly why I didn't pick the
Are you crying?
Bailey.
Yeah, I'm
Should I
fine.
take that man's champion?
Yeah, sorry.
It's alright.
If you don't get this in, I'm so disappointed.
Who's up?
There's no two bullets. It's not an.
Yeah, you're on. Yeah, you're on, mate.
We should have just shook hands, guys.
Fuck.
No one fucking
gonna
brave.
sell.
No one brave.
He's gonna sell.
Good shot, gun.
Run it back.
That's a sick shot. I like that.